Hey brand owners and importers, I'm Jasmine from JOBO E-Bike. We're at the 137th Canton Fair. If you're into smart, powerful, and innovative e-bike, you need to follow us because we are changing the game. Our delivery motorcycle is built hard for business and perfect for delivery riders with a long-range battery. Want to dominate the traffic based in Africa? This is your ride. We're getting so much love from buyers worldwide. Want to know the exclusive deals? Follow us and I will show you more.